So how do musical notes relate to frequency? The combination and sequences of frequency of sound that humans perceive, that is how we understand music, how we interpret the music, as being pleasant, we call that music, has been found to follow mathematical formulas. Now, different cultures have established their own preference for these musical scales. In Western or European-based culture, we have developed and used the equally tempered chromatic scale of 12 notes. So there are 12 notes in the scale that you and I are most familiar with in this country. Here's a list of these 12 notes. It's going from C to the next higher C. We call that a complete octave. And as you go from C, there's a C. We go C to D to E, F, G, A, B, C. You may be familiar with the theme song from The Sound of Music, Do, Re, Mi, Do, a deer, a female deer, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Well, those are the basic notes. That would be the diatonic scale. This is the chromatic scale because it also includes the sharps or flats. Sharps and flats are the same. A sharp is indicated with the sharp sign, which looks like the pound sign. And a flat is indicated by a kind of a stylized lowercase b, which is written as a superscript. So C corresponds to 262 hertz, C sharp 277 hertz, C sharp is the same thing as a D flat, D is 297, and so on. So we see that we can have very specific frequencies that correspond to the notes on a piano or the notes of any musical instrument for that matter. This is only one example of a musical scale. As I said earlier, many different cultures, or many cultures around the world, have their own types of scales that use different combination of frequencies to establish their musical art.